10 plus 8 parenthesis 5 plus 2. 10 plus 8 will give us 18. Then we have 18 parenthesis 5 plus 2. We are going to work with our parentheses. 5 plus 2 will give us 7. Then we have 18 times 7. 18 times 7 is equals to 126, which is 126. Is the wrong answer to this question because we do not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with our parentheses because it comes first. In our parentheses, we have 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 will give us 7. Then we have 10 plus 8 times 7. Remember, if a number is close to parentheses, note that there is a multiplication sign in between, which is this multiplication sign here. Now we are going to solve our multiplication first because it comes first before addition. 8 times 7 will give us 56. Now we have 10 plus 56. 10 plus 56 is 66. 66 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.